Good morning, LC people. Yeah, you've not heard from Dave for a couple of weeks. I've been at the van. That's done, it's got to go back. It didn't come with seat or side panels. I've done what it wanted, which is electrical problems. The engine's come out of this one. This is a local bike. That's got crank issues. The Zontes keep buying bits. My mate John's been on this RG1, well, what is it, 150, an RG150. It's like it's still on choke. So yeah, it's all, that's all working. Yeah, John did it while I was away. I haven't done anything about it because the guy wanted it back while I was away, and I said, well, John will have to do it then, which he has. He's had the carb on and off it several times and gone through it. It was smoking quite badly a bit. What we noticed, somebody been playing with it, and the oil pump adjustment, it was wound right up. It was just ridiculous. Anyway, that's all I could tell you about that. Got a power valve engine for the Zontes, courtesy of a good friend of mine. Collected it at the rally. I'd paid for it a couple of months ago. That's for the Zontes project. This is the engine out of that LC, the local LC. I've got to continue stripping that. And check out his clutch and a few other bits and pieces. I don't know if you recall about that one. It came in several weeks ago now. And the guy bought it off an auction. And it'd been stored with engine oil in the crankcases. And I'd got it all running for him. It was the one with the exhaust loaded at the back. And I said to him, you need to sort the exhaust. Anyway, he put them back on so he could just have a blip on it. And he said it's just awful. And what we discovered was you could pull the flywheel up and down at least a mil. So it's come back for that. That's it for now. There's one coming in tomorrow. A guy from Birmingham with an F2 with some kind of flat spot on it. This thing's still happening, but I'll keep you posted anyway. But yeah, Dave's back on the case. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.